Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to integrate Jotform with Google Drive in 2026. If you want to automatically save form submissions, files, or documents directly into your Google Drive, this guide will help you set it up step by step. First, open your web browser and log in to your Jotform account. Once you are inside your dashboard, select the form you want to connect with Google Drive. Now open the Form Builder and click on the Settings tab at the top. From here, look for the Integrations section and open it. Next, search for Google Drive in the integration list. When you find it, click on it to start the connection process. Now click the Connect button. Jotform will ask you to sign in to your Google account. Enter your Google email and password, then allow the required permissions so Jotform can access your drive. After that, choose the Google Drive account where you want to store your files. You can select an existing folder or create a new folder specifically for Jotform submissions. Now configure what you want to save. You can store form responses, uploaded files, or both, depending on your setup. Make sure everything is mapped correctly so your data goes to the right place. Next, save your integration settings and return to your form builder. At this point, your Jotform is successfully connected with Google Drive. Now do a quick test by submitting a sample response through your form. Then go to your Google Drive and check if the data or file has appeared correctly in your selected folder. Finally, if everything works properly, you are done. Your form is now fully automated and will send submissions directly to Google Drive without any manual work. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to integrate Jotform with Google Drive step by step. Now your data is safe, organized, and automatically stored. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials just like this.